In today's video, I want to guide you on how to create username on WhatsApp. This is a new update that you need to enjoy on your WhatsApp. Instead of you giving out your phone number as a means of contact on WhatsApp, you can now create a unique username for yourself. Here is how to do it. This works perfectly on your Android device. Open your WhatsApp app on your device, like the one you see here. Now it comes out like this. Go ahead and tap on this three dots at the top of the screen. Then tap on settings icon here. Tap on account settings. Now go ahead and tap on this button here under account setting. You see username here. Then tap on it to create your unique username. It comes out like this. When you come out like this, then go ahead and tap on this button, create a username. Once tap on that button, it comes out like this. Then create your unique username. So this username is available. Then go ahead and tap on this saved button. So you can see that you reserve a username for yourself. Then tap on this done button. Then tap back here. So henceforth you have access to your username here on your device. That's all, guys, on how to create a username for yourself on WhatsApp using your Android device. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.